Yoga for neck pain. Yoga can be a valuable ally in reducing neck pain. These poses, when practiced mindfully, may provide relief. For optimal benefits and safe practice, it suggests that practicing yoga poses with care and seeking guidance from a yoga instructor is a recommended course of action. 1. 8 types of neck and hand exercises. 2. Lie on your back and let your head hang down on a platform. 3. Seated poses, camel pose, Ustrasana, half moon pose, Ardha Chandrasana, and crocodile pose, Makarasana, 2 variations. 4. On the back boat pose, Nakasana. 5. Poses on the stomach, Cobra pose, Bhujangasana, and bow pose, Dhanurasana. 6. Standing pose, warrior pose, Virabhadrasana. If you found the video useful, then like and share it. If you are new to the group, then subscribe. Comment and tell us about which yoga you want to know.